All right, yes, some will be a quapa. Arenya Trnase. Yes. Akachoni anano son Kantrenia. Also Kuma Radio 97.1. Ya Panonia pa solid one. I got to say Johnny Afano. I am Basi Bidiagro. If you can't do this, you just join her, then you go because the pick him is on Nigeria up against Bobo Kwati. 7 times, yes, there 7 times Africa Cup of Nations winners, the fathers of Egypt and dominant times so Cameroon, and Panejai, which I was saying, your map, the names of body. Yeah, the live commentary about Team International, Papa Party Fresh, Sasuna Kropia Sante, the man with a white one in his beer and a white distance. Jeff Kufuwate was passports. I know Jeff Adina Ebwapa. So Jeff is 20 years now. Jeff 20 years, but Ube Muna begins say he's no more that this thing. We write up in your body, but me bomb pass a trading up on Yakupo to Bunsubabu. I'm in your body. Near your bad inside family now. Sasuna HOD Harrow Sports. No Korea Chimawase. What a set a boy at the area announcement at the buyer. Teacher Tonsi. First game ni toja oju ahwehwe hansa ama Sierra Leone isia I am writer Sierra Leone omo yetumi sodu omo epo 00 AK mesi me wini AK phone enti mo free AK na de no mo ya calling the switch off enye yasa team nya trase abrane ko ya baba ye yasa ani apepem ba kumienu mi asa na mamana referent doctor prophet AK they walk a created commentary and also be two jano and in bush you have on internet radio no internet radio no pa AK be tuja obede obetuja and oyejuma now HOD Harrow Sports no Korea chima wase no boano ye yasa fatu sefa ye yasa and mamichano very fantastic gentleman but above me view honesta yes, as our engage. Yeah, no. No, but Frosty, you say, I address the years. But boys, no, about phones, so Casa, more tricks in Kajapa. I don't know. Katroni and on the song country, and you're saying, Yatanasi. Yatanasi, Jana saw, North, South, East, and West. Yeah, Koya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hashtag AFCON 2021. Mesedan hashtag. Yaba. And I don't know. Yes, my man is already set at Mr. Jeff Kufuwate Saso and Papa Party Fresh and Krabia Sante, the finest gentleman in town. Krabia Sante, and come on. As we no see na nako tata bongo to imami papa bumbu fire message of Kufuwate upon saying
Chairman nyamiado na so
oh me what thing to say Bible na bibia fine
sharp
the radiase yanko give us time no aye it has been exhausted by the boy wa wia kakra dia ye na de nyamiatoma catch just a few minutes to go. The big game is on. Bobo Kwati at Nigeria up against Egypt game bia Obiani Eddie game nechi. You trying to say, then I was expecting a few two teams so Abra Yeko game no more.
This is the Clash of Titans. So what is a Clash of Titans? This is a typical example. I mean, two teams with 10 AFCON trophies between them. I mean, this is not a small match. Okay. I mean, we are about to see. It's two things. Okay. It's either going to be a very exciting match or it's going to be a very boring match because either the two teams are going to open up and go for a win, or one Benin, be able to try to be careful and tactically close up and probably end up in a goalless or a 1-1 draw. Into no match with whichever way a better. I mean, looking at inform Mo Salah no. Okay. Mo Salah be try say form no kita or Liverpool no. He will come and show something to Egyptians. Say he's not only the king of Liverpool, he's also the king of Africa. So what I say.
Okay.
But me, for some time now, Kelechi Iheanacho, we're picking from Leicester City. I mean, last season he put in a lot of goals. I think he got double figures in the season gone by. So I know, say, on also bet try say Obesho Bibi and Nigeria in the person of Moses Simon. And they have very fast wingers into say flanks and will be flanks in the main. So for me, I'm hoping say it will be an open game and we'll see some exciting football.
All right, Kobe Asante, no, Brante Bakua, Jeff Kufuwate Bonedin, Mohamed Salah, a player be expect to say, and then obey me proving yama the game. Yansha Salah, and Osha Algeria gamer, Womu Elboy na Ramirez in the game was not that exceptional. Salah. I won't say, compare the English Premier League and also this Africa Cup of Nations now. Teams know their performance in England. No, to me, they compare AFCON and Krobia.
No. I know the bad thing. Say to me, they compare. But and then Mohamed Salah, I think say he's not been bad. Whenever Ebeshe and the Nigerian shirt, the abo game with the moment. The modern bono asweni and all compare and the modern boy obo ewa Europa 16 goals in 20 games for Liverpool this 2021-22 season. I think say Uche Manager say 4 goals per out of 20 games unknown to me and she go averagely and Abrante no modern bono asweni Abrante bakwa and ye to me I can say me feel say your opportunities and I know way any match playing time and I say due to certain circumstances, you to me say you to me player bia yenyina yesusu says Abrante de and the next 2 or 3 years on no bet me abo power but baby no be on am not at bench mum to me arise on top of him and no ade amedi hu efi Abrante friend no Trezeguet one player me no since I'm share the ball pa de Abrante no one player anka this time here kasa about Trezeguet. If Salah is playing for Liverpool, Trezeguet should have been playing for Manchester United, Real Madrid, and I say FC Barcelona. But on Shedenya, that consistency, any former maybe any due to certain 1 or 2 things, be into me man rise to the top. Said the Ananka may expect it from Trezeguet, but on any day, Trezeguet a very good player, one of the best players. I will be to me and your wingers. I will also able to me attracting defense. To me, a creative chances and a result into a go and right now. Oshe Aston Villa kra oba no and Martin Bono from Kasimpasa in Turkey or baby PMO ona. A no onya chances to be into me improving in the English Backliga Premiership. But I think say on also one fine player on also airborne home. I may expect up front, say me hu Abrante bakwa friend Mohamed Sherif of NA Al Ahly. Abrante a very fantastic player no modern bono so any papa very young and if when you're 20 years on also a day but one more de mamoa and I to me abeda anymore and also I think say ocean scoring abilities I also know hello we usina kaidema Stuttgart the German Bundesliga anymore but if you go away to me I share this season the German Bundesliga myself I think say he's also not mean bad because playing for NA Stuttgart now wait to me ha born home I think so also born home ubenya Fati Ahmed Fati on nyina yenim from Al Ahly then Hamdi Hegazi of Onewa Kupiemo was Saudi Arabia Mohamed Elani and so a partner Mustafa no I think say this is the NA players are almost so at the area for Nigeria there. I think the Nigerians so they meant to match these players. I will share the defense of Nigeria through Tekong honorable at Fort England. Then Omerio of formerly of Chelsea also a partner in a true Tekong Ubenya Olai Aina also a formerly of Chelsea also a free Chelsea. Unte bibifuno few bipe and to me by Chelsea or to me elbow and Olaina one person no buy no way to me and bono more this time round no sina kan dem Torino last season over for Fulham to me every boy wa bra Fulham every PM or the English Premier League anymore and I think say one more players are women so no tasted this top flight European major leagues are almost what that experience and coming up against the likes of Salah and Trezeguet I don't think say be so much pressure on them because women who and right now currently as we are speaking Abrante friend no truth Elbow Watford the English Premier League anymore Aina and so Elbow Torino I think the experience wise woman so on top Okasa over the Milford of 3 in Chukwueze in Abrante, one of the fantastic players even Europe. As at 2019, Europe to me and the young chaps and I say under 21 and under 20 players ube to me Abrante friend no Chukwueze and so to me Fimuni. Modern Bobo Edema Villarreal, Evini and the UEFA Europa League, any idea against Manchester United, no money, I don't know any idea that form. And the modern ball in La Liga, no need to me actually say Abrante and so form. You talking of an real Fred indeed of one of the most underrated DM. We are seeing na uyi trea Abrante and to me because in the EPL no apart from Abrante friend N'Golo Kante anytime I do this gone again and so about EPL no I don't think say there is any other player will be to me at the third place apart from Abrante friend Wilfred indeed for Leicester City but Abrante no he's been so much underrated in the English Premier League and we are seeing about modern war bono dia so any papa el honomo and I think so no it is something better and I say something good ever on board in the midfield of 4-2-3-1. I mean me say sound about do a 4-3-3 as you are seeing but a 4-2-3-1 and Aribo and Wilfred indeed ebe acting as a double pivot just behind the defensive fauna and coach Ebo El Honomon Ubenya Hianacho of Leicester City on so modern quite impressive last season before a baby league on so to me Emma and home so this season on share that Enya and scoring boot to then find it but I think say Africa no so you be a ye papa oka away nia Sabrante wins on the modern bono and so ni obo siakan Edema Union Berlin in the German Bundesliga 17 games this season the German Bundesliga on so to me a recording 9 goals won so I think say one anyone so one Yorkie and they can also punish this Egyptian side on any day and they will have two teams in the set here and I think say woman in attack very sharp because Chukwueze is coming to support the attack and now I 4-2-3-1 and I think say both teams bit me in go but this first half of the Ansha need to me a draw a 0-0 draw in the first half but both teams to score at the end of the 90 minutes.
All right, so Krobia Sante and I'll say one also a deep analysis at the bar and come so and Fidiago Papa Yansha Obek to me I say do history play football because Bobo Kwandi at Nigeria the AFCON I had 3 times and Bobo Kwandi at the Egypt at 7 times. Welcome Okopima Egypt where your mom 25th appearance AFCON and Nigeria where your 19th appearance AFCON. Do you see history sometimes about a year AFCON games here history sometimes it take place.
I think most 2 countries now compare Nigeria to Egypt for the past matches these 2 countries I think say Egypt and Southern Nigeria so yes. Because out of 6 matches these 2 countries most Egypt I win Bebrena Nigeria and just a win and I 2 I draw 3 I call Egypt and Augustine the governor head coach Edman Nigeria I think say no share him say this game no bet me IBB now at least share boa Egypt able Nigeria in terms of African football now I think say bet me akọ mo enemy kakra nti share enyumre game now I think say Osha Egyptians who are coming into this game, Egypt from the past 2 years, and as a qualifiers normal, but both Africa Cup of Nations and a World Cup on Egypt and Lusumu Bakokra. And I think and we idea back one ranting big so going into this game. Because Osha Egypt and who are there no. So far as One Nigeria is concerned, yes. I think almost should be brave. And Osha a couple of players Nigeria parody about 3 forward. Now I think Emrante no was true because the likes of Brand TV say Moses Simons guy no ebo no more than Pauko 90 bobo kun mo bon no more than one more France abruchimemu and Osinaka and I think Moshe we yin so Ghana yade baby ono ebo no last of 17 matches no timi a 9 goals on mutu say no more than boy ade we nimpa e de ma club level but as to say national team level no performance in be team show e wo mu no agi say and then ye be then ye be hu that so me expect first half no say game no mu be den by Nigeria to me you can say Egypt no me expect say Nigeria be team more physical kakra because this North Africans no only on Bupa also more physical kakra so na be team ni na abo because say one in the ball say na the ball net na I think so the name be better e be found so me expect say as local based coaches too because two countries in use local based coaches and me share him say game no first half no I don't think say me quite a draw in the first half.
First half for predictions.
Prediction, draw in the first half.
Probably the first half our predictions.
Yeah, I think the first half in the said America can no say a bad in say go back to me this time because both sides are going to manage the first half. Then second half, both teams are also going to score, so it will be a 0-0 in the first half.
Okay, Jeff Ekufu.
1-0 for Nigeria.
1-0 for Nigeria. 1-0 Obeshe first goal.
Kelechi Iheanacho.
All right. Since Jeff Ekufu Boateng, Krobia Asante, ane Abrantia did papa the fresh, and I would say one also the great analysis at your bar. On Komasonom and your Fidia Grandchaba crossover. Na AK at the walk created message commentary at the Abako Piamo Cameroon. Yes. On my popia, I won't come soon. And your Fidia Grand Fasano and for my ES Link Security Service. Makajo says, Afconia Kosui, open the decoder, Papa straight TV was what. DSTV decoder, sells no Go TV decoder. Messi DSTV no, and you have compare now, they say. Champions League one more. Woko Premier Go TV Diana, Europa League go bet me and Spanish La Liga, English Premier League. Any other matches biano, ubet me ashe. I open one more brief from 24. I was 024166 7285 024166 7285 na biasono into me akonka. Over to the message in the aba predict and win wine every and say go to be bobo kwate at Egypt and also Nigeria. Fafa 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55 and I say 02 70 191 971 0270 191 971 Ebantama AK commentary Nicoso no the bibia so betumi akonkan na ye dia machine tie fa no you still live on Okuma Radio 97.1 team no solid opia aye ready AK yes I hwe warm up or you will show and ye fedia granti obeto commentary pa enti opia nya ready north south east and west get ready for your man ye the guest lover Abrantia D and the AK team no me kan yo me sorry Hero Sports Ranti Nana Korea Chima I was say Dide Donzi the Banu Jonesy nya no Dide Donzi abo asaso na aboko okopima Krobia Asante papa the fresh so na Jeff Ekufu Boateng and baba kwa no dam bema 88 in team yes na no dam ya wono so aboa and the boy the finest omni aboa na bia so no etumi akonka eba crossover my man enya atrase my man enya atrase is here my friend Reverend Prophet and prophetess ayoba onyoba ebema etieke edi eba beko na bibia so no etumi akonka over to you boss player.
Alright, MOBB Aqua Bamfambro, come on. 97.1. We have AFCON 2021 live commentary. And then we are still Yadeba. Odim say, Shasia Kwesiada. Yada Sujinam. Yes, all the 52 matches, you know. Jadi Ningina Ba. I will fear say, and you know, I can't so say the match back Ukraine Yantum. And you 7 p.m. the boy. I know I Sudan, I Agitora Gino. The boy the baba but the commentary and Tiaba and the Freunia non so Freunia non can change so come on for na live commentary and so yeah the Boa Bobuano and Tenenu ES Security Services enso kura yemu a neto pedikoda ene obi nchabo obi diamu akofa asama ba oba bi kwhwe ball bema diamu akofa asama ba ntene ma sanka dikoda no na afenso bibia nso no enkoso enfama oye the Super Eagles of Nigeria and ene so no the Pharaohs of Egypt enso etumi de apo eni tampano yemfam nanto mu giramu edema fenumie no nso no enfam to Joko Piemo the Super Eagles of Nigeria goalkeeper Didindi Okoye at the post Musasuna Ola Aina right back Branton ni at Zaidu enso ejina left back position Edman Nigeria center pair no Branton Didindi Omeru Sasuna William Trust Ikong ono so ejina chirewo midfielders ni Branton ni Kelechi Iheanacho Wilfred Ndidi na afenso na Branton ni Aribo enso ejina mfimfino up front no Branton Branton ni Samuel Chukwueze Sasuna Branton ni Awoni and afenso no Simon ono so ejina Benkum so afem man Nigeria Egypt afem goalkeeper ni Mohamed Al-Sanawi impose Sasuna Hegazi Hamdi Branton ni 40 enso ejina chiro mfimfino Branton ni Tofik Sasuna neno Mustafa Mohamed El Nani and afenso Branton ni Alpha 2 and also ejina up front no Branton ni enso Mohamed Trezeguet Mohamed Salah and afenso no Branton ni Omar Mamush and also no Japan is a lone striker and so no etimedia the Pharaohs of Egypt and also no Yasin Kuma so far yatima about 1 minute to be into me for ball and to no yonkwa tire mu hwe Egypt afade na echa suru kokko ana tuntum edana beti afam no fita na enom host no and so no tuntum Nigeria sana ni na alata yawo and so no to me as a greener just say asuru ne green afam green host no and so the green na yedi fita Acho Jasina Mano, one echo, Mohamed Salah for Egypt, one ball through pass, Mohamed Trezeguet, now 20 man for you, born in the French, born Abedin Fim, Branton in the Chukwueze, when Pierre Quetre, and so they come out Olaina Sinakai, and so to me, my Bobo Quanidim, and so the Torino, our the Italian Serianimo, right back on the ball, then Canino Sinakai, Chelsea. Insuene wako Piemo Torino ewa the Italian Serie A Martin Morten Emose Branton Eddie Kong Wapolo pass the Remo Egypt afem Mwaneko na so Egypt for na pimbo ni de fo Gazi wapimbo ni de fo chirewo bona bedi Branton Eddie Mohamed Trezeguet wapia de koma Branton Eddie Tofik betima den yaboni boom na Sudabi Waneba Nigeria atefa so na Sudabi yajiboni de frechrewo Branton ni Hamdi wajiboni de frechrewo de ma Egypt pressure Nigeria omashase ye club ya so far ya ball 3 minutes Nigeria ashase.
Yeah, I think say one more answer here and this game no metumi aka say ohwe that year started tournament we are this one of the games emu ebe shiye papa looking at of African country Asia and West Africa unlike the Andra yetumi ehun or Ghana who say Ghana game no so no Andra first half from name we and this such game I ne yebetumi awitness Nigeria ball no efe eda from coach awaba ono obo ejuma sansona in Egypt and these are both sides are women no after qualifications no coaches are women qualify no women asaki women and new managers na no women take them into this tournament so I think a game to watch this evening.
A game to watch this evening. The Nigeria and Egypt in our competition no Omesia Makumako 14 times. Nigeria winning 5. Egypt winning 5. France a draw. There's a match in the bed. Papa. Yantu also. Branton in the Olaina. Watu born in the sense one upper. Mohamed Anani. Wapim the Mohamed Trezeguet. Trezeguet is Topia. One upper. Egypt. Now so they be a jibon the free Egypt itself. Born up in Fifi. Branton in the Ripo. Now so they be on fire. Egypt for born in the French. Hey. Bonnie Morgan. Acquired into affair. Me who say you best rely on a long ball. Piato de Masala. Masala de Ayunkunya. Nigeria fun so adom so alata yawo omo so man bankran me hwepo pressure upon pressure 4 minutes into play Nigeria 0 Egypt 0 2021 African Cup of Nations Kosovo Cameroon Okuma 97.1 Yanswe the live commentary pa Hamid wa long ball semi kan yo cheche Mohamed Salah long ball and no me yusu oya den Egypt long balls Bona Bedi Brenton Idim Yanswe Mamouche right here box him wa position as goalkeeper Okoye goalkeeper Maduka Okoye Sinakari ma Sparta Road Tatam Ewo Dutch Abrochimemu Wachibon wapia de Olaina Suwanepa Wana beje pass wapia de kwechire Ede koma William Ngong Onoso pia de mana Brenton Idin Ensuare Omeru di amawai Brenton Idin Enso Edi Chukwese na sentima for Wanepa Nigeria Brenton Idin Simon obetua cross na Nigeria indidi na so bi yamane kwan yayibo ni de free war Mohamed Salah abobo na trasie Obi the form into temporary hold up Brenton Idin Tofik the form Akram Tofik Zinakanima Ali our Egypt or the form to referee Papa Bakari Gassama from Gambia on an original game anymore well experienced referee the World Cup dia Papa Bakari Gassama won on the 10th of February 1979 in 2007 alotuminya the FIFA badge and the referee Papa Bakari Gassama from Gambia okura experience pa Jeff Papa Bakari
Nigeria team in Ankasana it's not just him but they have a whole set team players needing now for regular football in their various clubs so share people like Wilfred Ndidi Kelechi Iheanacho Moses Simon Chukwueze they are all regular players inti so Oreka team what players are be out but regular footballer we expect them to quickly gel and I say we push it for Nigeria I'm not surprised
and in some Jeff Akufu Boateng Eda tuja Ebisa Brenton Idin Ede Tofik and Chan went to aso and Chan Tofik and to aso Papa first so far about 7 minutes into play 0-0
I think say Oshe game na say two teams ni nyina I careful e game no to say na edi kan dey two dwa no because Oshe these two teams one of the biggest games Africa hanum abring na yenya this kind of games yetimi a witness na nyem one say yetimi ape very experienced good referee ono so officiate game no people because Papa Gassama yenum ne performance ewo eye abibrim ha no eto aso ekọ World Cup nyina enti enyem one say empanyifo ahwe mu no no na manage this game and I think so betimi abo adwumaden na game no ho kasa na anko ebebre because Nigeria and Egypt chia enye game ketwa enti I think say referee no how an experience in it no obetimi atoto ne ma ye na bibia timi akona ni make
Yentu game no Nigeria Brenton Idin Iheanacho wachubako obetuma le pass na so be le pass ya kwechera koma Wilfred Ndidi stepia de Simon ordinary faso watani inside out na so ajiboni de free nisem Bona Bedi Egypt Brenton Idin Mustafa Cheche Mohamed Trezeguet wale pass na de Brenton Idin Zaidu shishobi de mano wa bob pass na so fa amfa the pattern was on pool the pattern was on pay. Nigeria still keeping possession as a referee so be the form Papa Bakari Gassama our experience here Papa in terms of officiating from Gambia Papa Gassama rough as well as one is ano Ejinsuo Abrante Tofik Emza Wantumama Tofik Wantumama Egypt bayan sachraye Egypt bayan sachraye Tofik Wantumama It's an aged way such a young to a game so Nigeria at 12 for so Brenton in Simon over to across the border while crossing so pin bonnet to call Nigeria Boston at born up him. Boris say Nasubona Bedi Egypt Mohamed Trezeguet will let pass the Mohamed Salah beautiful turn from Salah Bakumi and Nasono Wajanu Mroso at so whenever Nigeria Brenton and so Eddie Robo Nigeria Daniel Musa wasted opportunities. Wilfred did the Jeff, Nigeria.
Oshe Wilfred indeed, you can see say he's trying to coordinate the midfield. Every time a ball in the back, he's relaxed, takes the ball and trying to start the attack again. He's one of the players I may admire on the African continent. He's the best CDM in the world. I'll probably only put him behind N'Golo Kante, Casemiro. And maybe I'll put him like third. He's that good. Wilfred Ndidi is a top tier central defensive midfielder. I'm not surprised that Juma no, and we will see his influence on the game as time goes on.
So for about 10 minutes, Nigerian Shebi, Egyptian Shebi, Nigeria still keeping possession. Bonabedi Umeru. We Pierre William Ngong. Anu se sani mo tin dia koma. Brenton ni Samo Chukwueze inside and say you boni the free or boni a corner kick. Nigeria putting pressure on Egypt. And tina Brenton in the Akram Tofik Mohammed. When Timama we free mu. Ama Brenton in Eddie Mohamed Abdul Onusabem Abdul Mohamed Wabema Be Tafik Ekona Nasurabi Boni Seye Samo Chukwueze Wayedia Simwane Ba Nasu goalkeeper for Egypt Wachibono. Goalkeeper for Egypt Mohamed El Senawi Wapo Simu Tintin Osha Mohamed Salah Me answer in fact make us Egypt long ball sa no me yusu. ESL Security Services Ekura mu awiai. Me say the Nigerian TV will be them. Ogo TV will be them asemeba. Ida see ebe pamu se kojare. And I say oba na ekode ya kira sem wana onim. Ene chimpo. And a guy never show or see you go show. Na ben na you go show. Man sanka ESL Security Services decoder. Say DSTV, Go TV, antenna biape. Go PMO ESL Security Services Akache. Camera installation, CCTV camera. Say your office, company. What's if you're not so bomb? Nina ESL Security Services. Amu brew equipem. Ubetima from 0241 667285. 0241 667285. The boy atamu kutu wachire. Time the Spurs are turning mama so. The nina say shame. Demand for you. Controversial man. And you never do so. Messi are ready for Munchani about. Lord. Ya crowd near bar. Live commentary near the bar. And do come for me ya crowd. And the live commentary near bar. And Okugwa Dewa brew. And Kopo man fiamole chrome. Abuta man pon. Tutu abosi masa shira sebri. Adoso for so many for Monchani aba. Nigeria Nasira biamfa Ponabeti Egypt Mohamed Trezeguet Wajibono Nasira jide free ni se boni say Mohamed Salah Egypt Nasira bi goalkeeper Okoye Waturu weku bono so Mohamed Salah Gali na kwa chuche Mohamed Trezeguet Nasu boni timafa Okuma 97.1 live commentary AFCON 2021 all the way from Cameroon. Yes, the Babu Buano. Simon, Moses Simon, Onajibono, Wachubakumi, and Wapiada Marifredi did on Fifi, and Fifi also Yasanida Bar, Yansani Fasolina, Onusa Piadama Aribo dia Quetre da Coma, William Ngong Sina Kadima Watford, our English Premier League, Umeru Nan Koshiche, Chukwueze and Safa. Hey, but you be na fiso. Pony my day. This is African football. And my day pa. 14 minutes. Nigeria 0, Egypt 0, Krobia Sante. 14 minutes Obianse go press our game anymore.
I think game no, yeah, share a fantastic and pressurized game. Said the Johnson Smith to me. Okay. But we share game now. I think the game no more shepa and said the American can say so far. I think the game winning game I able to me Ashema say yes. From the opening start of the game, no, winning game I able to and managers no say I'm a kind of woman no make sure say one be deploy very tactical game power one be to me play Carlos Corres after saying Hosam El Badri to me Nigeria Egypt for no qualify no ono na one dey buy and the matches so when lose even a single game even through the World Cup qualification a single game crampono when Lucy but one more say ni player selection any lineup will be ayo no enya dey etodwa fa kwan mu ntino won apamo no into this a serious country manager when lose a single game AFCON qualification and World Cup but one more to my born in 92 Carlos Corres to me abe so sanso na akọ Nigeria Augustine Ekwa hono so to me buy after so hono so no one former manager so e dey one qualify to this current competition one so HS ne modern bono enso ni this a manager 2006 ono ano de one eba e wo AFCON ni mu ntino ye former manager e de mama sanso e locally based manager ono so e coach a lot of Nigerian national teams from the under 17 under 20 no na way to make quarantine top notch coaches and na ewo mujira touch line a woman so no ma agrono AFAK
yanto game no so born cry Egypt abetira bedi agazi wasane mutintin ya bani sebe kum so Abrante ni din ade afatu referee say ade na koso referee Papa Bakari Gassama Asirai ase born nye ase born nye born ajo ye be man ye kase ade ajo a so ti ase born ajo ti ye be man ye so born ajo a na so wo se nya born ajo ti ye de born fufura bam ti ye be man na born kodwo na kofa born fufura bam a wo se referee no di match no anya fair to you. Bojo na okay ka just yes some boy na pass your best me ma born you me ma born you esa so me ba na ko fi okara jo ya heavy kaza so show me nim sasre me ma born you dia wa so be se D-man go around Channel Space so ye bro mu a the boy man is hey for sign I know so for your signs I guess here signs and wonders I bonaka yanto game no so Nigeria wo Freddy Didi wasusu obi ye fa no so na sanfa bona bedi Egypt akire wo Egypt defenders amowa papa amowa say na Pharaoh wanka danka aso she my Egypt for so nanga when you say aja you for na ka mo so de kakra wa mo say that one no de yanto game no so 18 minutes Nigerian Sebi Egyptian Sebi Bonabeti Abrante ni den Anthony Mamouche wa pia de kwachere de koma Abrante ni den ade afatu asa pia de Mamouche by den ya trying to show referee play must continue still Mamouche for Egypt now to the John Ashiwo Bozege Pony my den William Gong Bono Clan and Fa na so Abrante ni den Wilfred Didi Ojibo Asemikalobi Ojibo ni antics bibi atese Mikelobi ni nantia ni ade nia ne moma krasa no kura ya aka Mikelobi ono Ojibo aso ni moti aye adwuma da na okonachi
me na meka cho oma ball simple any method no that calm ubenya from every DM say obetumi a control game no actually the direction of play and no Abrante friend no real Fred and Didi and so making sure say obetumi deploy from the side of any Nigerians and I think say for now is working perfectly for them.
Egypt wasting opportunities Bona medi olaina esubum ya body free wo ona ni na so bona fa Samuel Chukwueze ya twani da show referee yesterday ose fa etia Nigeria fa etia the Super Eagles of Nigeria awoni ono ko di sejuman wa ko chi obi de na hwe ye anumom aje de etia no akwa esunwa Taiwo awoni Sirakanima Union Berlin of Germany 24 years na Brantennedy akwano wa papa ano ni defenders on metia yam papa Bakari Gassama bona san adwubiem ene de adwojo match na yeboyi bona san adwo papa Gassama nani abre ase de mbo kura na mo de abai yeboka krajo be man na boka kra na adwo de ya ye be ya board wasu be she rough afi na ye na be yi na be na be ye ma na yi na be ko ye be sesa ball ni yanku aso Egypt as a fan of master to game ni mo pona be di Brantennedy Ade Mamouche na sanfa ya jeboni de free ni sem Brantennedy enso Ade Zaidu aboboni de free obona trasie throwing a ya to area the Pharaohs of Egypt throwing a ya botia the Pharaohs of Egypt Nigeria alatayao ama mediagro Brantennedy ni Zaidu olokura bono simunko na mintu boni mrem watu boni de simu tenten etrempa ye Brantennedy awoni na suni tentimanka bona beti Aribo wapem dia ma Simon beautiful control ono so piara ma Wilfred Ndidi ama Olaina surging forward o chicho bi dia ma no wale pass no yana to back to Olaina na safa abedi onani watani fefe o ifsha Mamouche chicho nani enani betu for bona na wafa bono America baba wine ba onani wasapia de kwechire de koma Brantennedy enso are F2 wapia dia ma Helgazi Elgazi and Kanino Sirakanima Stoke City. Muhammad Elgazi Osunwa papa. In Sirakai Edema Al Ittihad Saudi Arabia. Ahmed Elgazi if Nigeria guni tiswa azam kwara mkodi brunya. Yes challenge achisa. Feroma the Pharaoh let my people go. And if Pharaoh way, Kaka Benzem sa. The brothers need to know what's on people. Kaka Benzem sa. The brothers only Yaminya sama wine and Becky be my Pharaoh your mind. Pharaoh. I said let my people go. A temporary hold up. Bona Sanju be mana. Grab your bona Sanju be for the third time. Bona Sanju.
I think say we and a good call from. And the boy used the official Togo ball. Ayatundin Togo. I don't think say hey boy and then we be to me boy and you good cry you show what we are seeing now because unum say 2019 you used to and meter and this time round on a Togo and it to me about very place and no made from a Umbro into Umbro for and more edesa Togo boy to me about you used to on it. And yeah, very good indications cry and idea because we are Kobe for the first time we boss nice and I think very very worrying.
Jeff for the third time
made the win in a conspiracy. When you conspiracy who to demean the shine of the AFCON. I mean, we should say AFCON and launch a stadium share pictures and I didn't recall saying the Yanum D anymore on the doubt. Eric Oye in Africa benya di ne de no be say no won hwe won ball a wode bokra nyini ade me we nyina ka ho bi we nyina ka ho
Papa Fresh ball na say anjo
I think say this not the third time crash Nura I think say Nura na say 3 days the same incident in ABCC wo matches ni I think say very bad at my image yeah person yeah the chair you as afana nyina and I don't know
ball Judia say no
Judia the game 3 na I see ya sano in a game 3. So
yes,
I think
very
bad. Very bad because yeah, cry you crew where you complaining about boss I use for your premiership matches. I think say boss at a bibrim hand. I don't know. Say Papa and Yanko pose then because as a continent they at least you know say oh yeah at the ABC I was say pet ball I beat me then abwa ma because abrofuni dey in a match no be say back pebi maybe I assassin will maybe a joke but now 3 boss any assassin will game I think it's very bad and be who go send to us to see others now can be papa near to me the atwa game no so eki
enti no ball no joy any assassin father said him ball kwadwo very assassin yanto game no so 25 minutes Nigerian shape Egypt shape Abrantani didn't Simon Obetuma cross the ball in the 7 and Sulabi Obi anywhere for Nigeria Moses Simon Shana Rasa Guni Tuswa but Malin Fano Moses Simon Mekani way back in and 20 now Abrantani ball 2015 epa Moses Simon on the ball no cross and amfa the cross and amfa team near solid. Anako feel courage man. Jeff Kufubote, Krobia Sante, Papa the Fresh, a trooper, Simon! Nasura beside Nathan. It was a clear opportunity for Moses Simon Jeff.
He shouldn't have pushed the ball. He should have shot the first time and the 9 ball. Now it was a one-time shot. Or pushing the ball into the court side net. This was a straight shot. Chance that they should look at it again. Or man pass 9 do one shot. It was a straight shot. He shouldn't have taken another touch. That's all Bonnie Street. The moment he take it touch now, he gave 3 defenders the chance to cover. That chance, not say.
Moses Simon. It was a clear opportunity. Edema Nigeria. Now should I be Egypt for so? Yeah, that's an hour. Bon boom, but where we cry. Jordan fan was that. Nigeria putting pressure on Egypt. The Super Eagles of Nigeria are putting pressure on Egypt. Mr. Timothy solid. Papa the fresh. Sikache. Skawano. Shiana Bizan Skabati Biamao. The writer commentator DJ Donzi Pometidom. Samson and Anadamia. She strong room. She strong room Yenyama. DJ Tony. DJ Vibes. You know touch it. Fintes we go TV nim. Mr. Dukron from ya kradu yaba. Yaba. Live commentary near the bar. I pray the Lord ya kradu yaba obubuano. So many wengaze ya kradu yaba. Adoso formu ya kradu yaba. Kosomo yaba. Madina formu ya kradu yaba. Adenta mu ya kradu yaba. Kastan kasofo yaba. Mama saw them but yaba. Mo bibia possible. Yaba. Marian my mincha o kaswa. We have you take commentary no. Marian kaswa yaba. Dansuman Bama Camp yaba. Yaba TSM soldier phone. Yaba more live commentary. Intendo person your command radio. Edi Juma etiatia. Me say bibi bia tombia pese bondero. Bribe bondero diamao. Bibi bia tombia. Oya sorry man ka say na yedi bro nya wienti ayi revival hunya crusade hunya Easter ba ya crusade. Suku ya bie mama fonte unka admission ikoso. Omete unka nyina ya command radio 97.1 hotels, restaurants, beer bars. Mama man fonte unka oni ya command radio ndi juma. Bibi bia to emuto gbe dokuno. Bankoni konkonte baby Ashan ya say brighten the corner where you are. Mama fonte unka from command penny for our 0246 435 565 0246 435 565. AFCON Cameroon 2021 live commentary at the bar. Egypt versus Nigeria 30 minutes. Obiantimi for point to the young quaterem. as a send game ni sa send tempo na ba form Baba Fresh tempo na ba form
okay I think say share how Egypt share game na Arsenal now they thought say long balls no on betimi e dey anya even opportunity be no matimi a go by one more ball back mienu no ase abafem kakra because I say Nigeria for defense and so empro mo ho enti ama long balls no ntimi nko bebra ama jai long balls ne bo enti ama Nigeria ba game no kakra. And talking about Egypt for no because long balls ne enko no I think opportunity for
Nigeria go Kelechi Iheanacho wa bought the first goal and the man the Super Eagles of Nigeria jump first goal aba
then I told you say one goal from Nigeria and Kelechi Iheanacho onwa player na me boy no onwa so no wato atena no it no just any American and one looking at the Egyptians you know I think it's one game plan they said they were going to depend on the speed of Mo Salah into the Wabel launch balls to Mo Salah to beat the Nigerian defense but it looks like say Nigeria for no they were already prepared for that into no with the help of Wilfred Ndidi no one bossy midfield need to stop all those way from coming in. But this is a wonderful strike from Kelechi Iheanacho. I mean, Oshe play now. This is a player about week in, week out.
Beautiful control, beautiful strike from our Branton in the Kelechi Iheanacho. You cross the ball and I for the pin for the wall. Now so go. A Branton in the 9-ball community control here. Masuna ball at Nankasa. Kelechi Iheanacho. Krobia. Go Abba.
Yeah, go na Abba. And the way I nearly said it, Seyanka, and you know, Oshe Egypt, on my right hand side, one Abrantia, your friend Moses Simon, who say we use you up, papa, we create few chances, be her into me and resulting into a goal. But now me ya can say, sa right hand side one move to me aye then to me aye ni ye Oshe Abrantia and your friend Abdul Monema, omode na ba honoma very very weak. Than say any time out of fake starting game no but due to injury when to me and to a game so Abrante Abdomen or Bahonum nothing say who to me about Dawk see ye papa Moses no a use ye papa that's a guy and you know or your prospect pie or football but I think say the career new to me uncle ye said and I expect but or very young and I think say or to as you say a bit to me abuano
Nigeria almost suppress and let's see Egypt to so go na ba 32 minutes, Nigeria 1, Fellows of Egypt 0. Pressure Pani. What a game! What a game! So far, game of the tournament. Egypt, Ametumakamana, Nasubona fa, Abrante Fati, we Pierre de Quatre de Akoma, Amere Gazi, Gazi Shishobi Amano, was up Pierre Ama 40 the Bonipa, 40, on the Quatre de Akoma, Hamdi Najibono or the Ama Anani and then back to Hamdi on the Pierre Ama Trezeguet Hamdi Wapolo pass now so be anymore. Egypt's long passes in them far. Goalkeeper Okoye no one fair Koko kama guess no Monsho she nechira kwan pass yan so yawa who's on to me kwa Nigeria nti Ghana na be yan so Ghana Nigeria 1, Egypt 1, Bonabedi, Egypt FM, Hamdi, Wapia de Manani, and Annie Bonanko, Samo Chukwese, Atidia Frinisem, Branton in Mamouche went for Bonana, Mamouche about Dangbele Nasafa, Olaina, where you body the free war, Egypt, Branton in, and sorry Alpha 2, Yatibody the Frinisem, Samo Chukwese, or didn't want to give him papa. Samo Chukwese. Sinakai, Edima, the Yellow Submarines of Villarreal, our Spain. Monsieur playing about top-notch football. Week in, week out, Uba tournament abe pruvi. Now if you're not at the benches, 40 years now more game here. Jeff.
So what share? Say now go now ban. Once as a game no more started with because now Egyptians in the field said now they have to make for it. Say we be a game no more so Nigerians we have very fast wingers. So what you say internet what the bear on pass Accra. Internet game no be exciting. Goal la ban kwa the game no be we be them all.
Emu be a better. Jeff, I say mu be a better. emu bie na emu bie na emu yada na just Nigeria ane na omo enjoy Egypt u bie na Nigeria femu de emu be da ma Nigeria Egypt bie mu na Nigeria femu de emu be da ma Nigeria hwe bie mu ne femu na hwe emu be da ma o throwing Nigeria Simon Abrantani din ade awoni yateboni de free nisem Egypt na se favorite ya Nigeria favorite ya Nigeria Egypt afem awoni akopem amara gazari ne shewo ete Papa Bakari Gassama ose favorite ya Nigeria coach no washan so still ne kuma Anthony yam Mohamed Anani yajiboni de free nisem Bonabeti Abrantani din answer Zedu shisho bi amano Moses Simon watefefefe Simon nasula biobia ni wo Moses Simon enjoy no papa krobia
and he's been a turn in the Egyptians one more flesh or game or ball from the right side of the Egyptian defense and the left side of any Nigerians, I think it's Oyusu Oyepa, and most of the balls, this time round, Mishemu, I made to me, I say, on our way to me attaching most of the balls so far. I will give me 35 minutes on our board draw now. Nigeria, whenever Ombenya Bobiano, one more target that left side because when we say on to me, you see Abrante friend Mohammed or that right hand side or and we say Gazi Crampono, it to me push Abbas always be an honor so a better help Abrante and on it. Or you see that position very well. I think if say I never connect their own way to me and second go through that position.
Nigeria Super Eagles and now much money papa as I say Egypt abiem. Egypt abiem. Garua on a game in Koso. A throw in yet to Nigeria Abrantani din and so Ade Abdul Mohamed Watubono Nasubana Trasia Wilfred Ndidi Nenia Bre papa Wilfred Ndidi Yakazi defensive midfielder Africa Obiania Wilfred Ndidi of Leicester City on the ball Mohamed Trezeguet Atia Fosuna Sudabi goalkeeper on the button was on pay Atia Fosuna Sudabi Nigeria Omo iboni de free wo Bonabedi Mohamed Trezeguet we pia de Nani and Nani Sandia coach de koma Abrantani din Alfatu Shishobi ya pembo de free Omeru indeed is top of the center circle ya pembo obi de natural referee foul Atia Fosu Iyanacho Nigeria ya botrupa Sansurabi Nigeria pressa Awoyiri Yanacho botrupa no na so Gazi na so strength na wo Jeff.
That was some experience defending from defender no. One who send na nka ball no, but why should that perform just to distract player no stride. Sinebe India went to me and Sanka wanje sanka bia the number to me aka either obe top poke ball na obe to me ache pekra for the second goal.
Super Eagles Nyanum Nyanum ko jira musa ko chi to fista pupu on to sa. What a game. What? Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 38 minutes. Yanto game so Gazi Bona for Abedu Omeru de Pierre Diamantidi Ndidi Iyanacho counter Iyanacho the left no still born inside Iyanacho we Pierre Diama Abrantani Sabo Chukwueze Didi na de Chukwueze Ndidi Bonance Nigeria Papa Fresh
Eki I think say Nigeria make it you know because Moshe game and Nigeria bona I think say game you know who game you know so say now compared to who game so and I'm talking about Salah. I think say long balls now and me and Yeye because Osha Abrante to say Zedua guy na timi amake Salah Osha baby Salah na na guy no na Salah a very quiet game because who players are no more day in day out club football ono oboma Porto na no Porto eshe Benfica home and away 2 games, you know. On which 90 minutes. So I think say more times, you know, we hear players quality, you know. I will say winya and some our game in the beating me up. So I think say Nigeria for no all my niaje and you will put some better to us to say okay.
Jeff, so far you're about 40 minutes. Do you think say go be beat him up?
Nigeria are playing like potential champions. They are playing against a team like Egypt. We all know Egypt's pedigree in the AFCON. So what I say, and this is the opening match, and they are playing fearlessly, and you can see that they have the Egyptians under control. Wilfred Ndidi. The reason why Egyptians now are useless is that he's breaking up all the attack. So what started at the transition from midfield right down to attack, and he just crashes everything. That's classic Sergio Busquets back in 2008. That's the level at which Wilfred Ndidi is functioning right now. So they have the Egyptians under control totally. What the Egyptians are trying to do is Obama long balls because they think they have some aerial advantage, but they don't. The Nigerians have them under control. I'm so happy that senior Nigeria from the born and yet a more fearful.
And yes, the Imofia. My team to the Yankees are very afa. What a goal! Keeper Chin Musa saw one so far. 40 minutes played. Nigeria won. The Pharaohs of Egypt. Monsieur Nipa de Senunu Yaminya Samawa Nebeke Biamao. Egypt said that from a Kaba common to me here. Kalichi Yanacho was a beautiful strike. Fancy Neniache. Fancy Neniache. Eh, Baume Diansana Mobano, when you saying. Come on. Also, Kofi Atako Muaga in Bim. Yantua game so. Egypt and a Krabono. Branton in at the Abdul Mohammed. Pia Edema Trezeguet Sunday Quatre Edakoma Amara Gazi and Gazi the Bum 50 ama 40 Achiche Mamush na Sajibon the free Mamush is Bonabedi Nigeria on the break and Ianacho Nigeria Nasuga goalkeeper Nigeria Ianacho Odiagro papa tormenting the defense of Egypt. Ojibona Obama for Bushes. Kelechi Iheanacho. Abrantene Diagro. Hey! So, Leicester, but week in, week out. Jeff.
Nia Kelechi Iheanacho, this was what we were expecting from Jordan Ayew Nra.
Why?
Jordan Ayew Nra. What he's doing now, stand in the center and push the back line. Eno nana yehwehwe eyiho enso eja emufiafo ya yesura de ntia ya no so on na mtentenu ya sa onyehwe
But Jeff, it seems that Branton in the Zaidu on the left back and Nigerian Waliji Mohamed Salah fi game anymore.
Totally, he has pocketed in football jargon workers say so be a pocket he has Mohamed Salah in his pocket totally. He has Mohamed Salah in his pocket totally. Just Salah to me baby, he has become totally ineffective. I think that the whole match man will say was touchable about 5 times for the last 42 minutes. 5 times he had to drop deep way into the midfield and sign the 9 car ball. So Nigeria is playing perfectly.
Nigeria is playing perfectly. Jeff Akufo Boateng, Nigeria goalkeeper no affair. As I quite say, bar for front. Joe Sosa, ne do ko wom. Grobia.
Quite say the way no one said.
Evo.
And yeah, so what's what the back command Kumasi the back.
Just on teach. I don't think crimes.
Or the Kobo manager.
Yeah,
they are two baby.
Gentle Nigeria, Moses Simon, watching Moses Simon, Odiagro, Nigeria. What a clearance! What a clear opportunity for Nigeria to make it 2. Still born say Zaidu, Nasudabi, and what did Zaidu, no what did say, you know, Chakon Chrono, Zaidu, Simon, Nasudabi. Born say Nigeria, press up on pressure. Hey, Benyaso Nigeria. That's the more bossa and Mama Yanum Yobu Africa Azaro. Ya cross the bono, Bonnie say Nigeria, not to the goalkeeper. Mohamed Sanawi. Obechi bon referee say bon tra center corner. Press up, Papa Fresh. Nigeria.
I think say okay. Nigeria game no.
I want you stand to the I want no.
Zedu no.
Yes.
FC Porto left back I don't know. And I think say the more because so share the way Nigeria bobo na as Egypt to crown no money on and for the past years in Egypt at almost so by now I think say Augustine Govon so betimi atutu niam na Nigeria timi awini me ade ba ko amisho ne say game no takosi na second half no na mo be yemre sa na ama Egypt atimi ababy bye you hope so on better to associate because North Africans no ball man hoden na utumi enti I don't know me nim ni ACL as a van check no say enye
van check you say enye
corner kick biem so okay you share me say first half we there Nigeria be take lead na because omobomomode
referee Papa Bakari Gassama on the 3 minutes and also Jeff referee the 3 minutes also just say second goal be back and equalizer be back.
Oh, I think it's possible say second goal be back. But what's happening is I think say time at Tofik Egypt player right back Tofik prior no. Abdel moment now what in the bar no. Ono na Moses Simon use no horse no. On to me Moses Simon cry. I mean he's beating him for pace. And I'm happy say even in times like this you know they are able to exploit the weakness of the Egyptian team because watch all the ball Nina echo on the flank of Moses Simon and I'm hoping say Moses Simon on Brenner even if for Brekra they have another player in Kelechi Ahmed Musa is there Kelechi what's his name Chukwueze can switch
it will be so bad.
Yes Chukwueze can even switch to the flank no so nko yusu kakra one fan fa hosa wo be se won bebre
ni ba bibi ni Ghana ni ninu asura se ye ni je dem fan fa hosa onzo obi bo atwa fa abo referee 3 minutes to soro ene ya bomu sima ba kwa kamienu wo Freddy Didi wakotwa the referee say foul Yambontia Nigeria Papa Bakari Gassama what experience papa said I want referee Africa don't about to turn on oni boni mudi Javna kana sem ubiye ma Edbe FM ubiye mudia boy saba ubiye mudia Edbe FM boy saba mo kwa na ko biye mkitu e waso be shi Yentu again so Hamdi for Egypt or Sergi forward Egypt looking for equalizer Bonabedi Mohamed Nani Arsenal Branton Wale Pasta Isha Mamouche now so they be born up for Mamouche the near de Mamouche yes Mamouche Brantia Omar Mamouche Senakai Adama Stuttgart out Germany Akura wisu akura mihuni sana makai Brantia ni at the Gado. Warfare Mohamed Gado wouldn't born a ball. Referee, in 3 minutes ago, Yabomu Mianu, Akabe 10 seconds. Na Oferi Kenny Panamia. Nigeria 1, Egypt 0. A free kick at body to Nigeria. Our center circle. Egypt in temper referee. Referee Papa Bakari Gassama wabone bende Afrika nyina banawiya Afrika nyina banawiya Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 ye chaya waba ye bofato sumienu no ababa mejamna fensoro Abranten din ade the writer atnasna fensoro wadi komana momno mekasa ESL Security Services Omadaruma ane de live comment you know abaye nana kwami ampon side ni medin betima fremeke na se bibi ansono etumi aye kama ewa ye twa ye ho ofeto sumi enu no ba ye bepa na afin live comment you know yenso yetumi ere ato aso
Station Radio Man Kenya, Kuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, we stand at the
Okoma Radio 97.1.
We accept no defeat. We are young, we are strong, we are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea. Africa unite. Together as one. Celebrating African ways, African love.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
African youth, African kings, and African queens.
Africa est bonne, Africa est douce. Everybody come together as one, we'll rise.
Africa tonight. Sound of the light.
All right, so first department of the game up on the area. Our cup Maruna. Bokwati Ere. The Super Eagles of Nigeria. Haha. What a game. Momo 8 match check on back home. Area Shua, the Pharaohs of Egypt. Almutimia Simadaraka. First department of the game. I will fear now shake him now. First of all, say I am your phone lines 102 na but your phone trust in ya. Chef Kufu Boate, Charlie predecessors na found. Kakrana coming from Vanko ye and Cabaret time a DBA. Ate Yamambre Brabanian to come on. 0554 66 77 55 and also 270 191 971. Ate Brabanian to come on. So far, Nigeria and Bomokwati, every Egypt game no shabby. Utia commentary, I want to say. Atiano, come on now. Wow. What a game. What's here? Africa Mangma Ingiginga. Yaga, you boy.
African sunshine rise up again.
Samini na air rapid tie. I just want to rapid 10 seconds. Hey. I don't know. I will just finish trashy. Just kung fu. Yes, Oceana. Tatika for no. I tatika yibia. Any place need to try first half new year. Robia Santeso. Yes, Okutapen Trodiano. Papa different so. Onokuta pen is penbia. Indiano no. Omnia trashy. Yeah, Baba both first department. Almost 2 teams no performance in say. So far, Nigeria ball 46.6%. It is ball kakra. But that be Nigeria ball mo boy confirm here, you know, ade normal dana. Nigeria ball. Salah is out of the game. You know. First 5 minutes when I just saw Bebre go na Sudabita. Nigeria for the Gina for game mo. And yes, a friend yenye kakra. Yes, don't say I didn't say Omuye Yati Bekatu Mame. At 0270 191 0270 191 971. Everything trust, but also no ye maunya fele ne kakrawate ase ti uofiana wanona yo meka also ye beautiful lights them out now so kebi blaster fo betumi abeto omuja obetumi ato omuja ai and to betumi afre
We are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea. Africa unite. Together as one.
Atiano no ofrebe ma yebe ya ne yetin komo
African ways.
Papa first department of the game abani we Nigeria share Egypt akarma ko metimi Maraka yan hwe game no I won't give me the same.
Right, I think Moshe game in our first 45 minutes. And I think Nigeria were in control of the game. Moshe Nigeria fast so Moshe how our team etimi comport omo ho as at now there is no yellow card na etimi apiem wo hwe ekwa omo fa so ekwa nya omu nyaaye ene ne omu timi e de shego na atin say Nigeria ye bibi e chere bibi say now no enkan no na bi a omu ntimi eye Egypt and e die ade a omo ye de omo asesa ne mam and now omo betimi a share Egypt na wo hwe game na the back four of Nigeria Abrante and the Ede Aina Oshe how Abrante ni control right back one by the man Nigeria to us one very experienced player because we see kind of the Super Green Eagles for a very long time Oshe and modern boy Sony and Oshe na say small guy yakwa friend but team talking about airport to defender left back Abrante and the Ede Zaidu, what I can performance, what the way what me a comporting ho because when a brandy BT say Mo Salah Asia more times no one what me aji a yellow card and as for by what how Zaidu at me a comporting ho at me a hold on Mo Salah Mo Salah game no cry as captain Edman national team you and shed who Mo Salah team no be and I think say Nigeria for na team I there. And also on attack and so Chukwueze what to ask where the Abrante and in Kelechi Ndidi bon fin on my thing say omu ye jumani nyina say na be Nigeria betimi carry on the day and I think say very good Edma other African countries I was say to me serve as an example Edma other African countries say North Africans more times to me to two near my ye betimi na abo bia na Nigeria then and I think say me expect say Nigeria team no second half no betimi atutu niema ye atimi a block it now the long balls ne there me can say be equal there meboa because Egypt for normal try for a very long time but still now no mutimi nya kwanya entimi penetrate through the defense men of Nigeria so me expect say second half no so coach ni betimi atoto niema ye maybe so omunya gu kan wa betimi aboa na timi ama omo win na den etimi abambai anye ye kra no mutimi ball just a goal no ho ban but I think say second half no Egypt ebetro more men betro more men ni we so mu ye bia be yes na be ya at least betimi anya draw and me expect August na go avon say ono so betimi a pet tactics bi obetimi e de aboa Nigeria for no say na be ya because there is the second time in Nigeria omu win omu ye den omu Egypt twice in competitive matches so I think say was say Nigeria for ntimi tutu ne ma second no ntimi enya needed 3 points no.
Okay, so Papa Fresh and I'll say Karokobia Sante Yansha Tama first Africa Shasi near Mohamed Salah as a but it seems as Salah out of the game Salah Yenim Liverpool.
Yeah, I think so far so good for Nigerians, one way to me, Aboboye and both sides, Osha, one more than bonus because one more I'm a young gamer so far. Even from the start, I just say gamer and so far be fair pie this particular game because a gamer. All the stars are women about top flight leagues Europe into a game I expect to say. But I think so far in the first half Nigerians and our more upper hand to me go out of more chances to me create hoba said the Amidi can in the first half then both teams to score. I think the Egyptians are going to come in strongly and they will also get a goal in the second half. That's why I say me which is Nigeria a be winning our 3 points in Inano for a goal in for and the Egyptians and they still now I believe say Egyptians they are going to get a goal in the second half.
All right, Krobia Sante Jeff, predictions and player best go no get it right. Did you went to any spiritual destined to do that thing? You have gone.
Yeah. Masankum.
Okay.
If there's going to be a second goal, it will be Kelechi Iheanacho again. And the match will end 2-0.
Jeff, go for it. Jeff, you should give this up. Give no.
Players might just say player performances for this half no.
Okay.
Zaibu.
All right.
Ndidi, Iheanacho, and Moses Simon.
Okay.
These 4 players have been very critical to the Nigerian setup. Say Wosha, Zaibu has kept Mo Salah quiet.
Okay.
Totally. Ndidi is breaking up the transition from defense to attack. Ndidi just crashes it into, so say, the Egyptians, they are clueless as to what to do to get the ball forward. And then Kelechi Iheanacho is standing as a proper standing 9. Okay. And he's not just a standing 9 our strength. He has accuracy with his shot. Our shot technique. So also, baby Ujina, anything you're done in when you say you shoot two ball to the angle now. That is a UK academy trained striker.
All right.
So what I say. And then say Moses Simon is exploiting the weakness of the Egyptian right for fullback flank because we Tofik Fihono Abdul Momen Onkoye need speed and Moses Simon is really utilizing it to his advantage. Okay. And as I'm saying, say Moses Simon bred with speed now. On switching on Chukwueze and Chukwueze is an equally skillful, very pacey winger. Honestly, bit me use fine to Nigeria's advantage. Okay. So I know. Say sometimes Yisro kakra say ebia second half. But say a game neni ansisa. Okay. Wabe pocket 1 second half. 2-0. Another goal from Iheanacho.
All right. So Jeff Ekufu Boate and I'll tell you Karo. Anya Fediagro. AFCON 2021.
African ways, African love in Africa.
Kidinke.
African youth.
Kidinke.
Is in Africa.
Kidinke. Yeah, fast on my ES Link Security Service. Yes, see the code papa baby or pebiano. Tawini Facho. Me say AFCON. Shebra. Oh, TV audio, yes, sir. Station see you. But ebu on my pono yes, sir. Baby to game no anwa sia ya obane tu ohwe na ka se kwata kwana coaching pona yesi enya kra ati aya Sling Security Service ti so nya decoder papa sadia na ye installation e bibia mawa game no ye ya ohwe ne sa ebu ohwe po e kra bon se su atwa na opo no ayeche sa nipa no hu ne kra da bi yan sa Tiano come on no shop DStv Dakota. Yeah, DStv Dakota no shop your for Champions League. Spanish La Liga, the English Premier League. Bundesliga, Italian French League Anna, South Africa League Bia, the Ghana Premier League no. We are Go TV. Yes, we bet Yashepa. We bet China Kama. Etie Kanfo AS Link Security Service Adiama Ube Mwamu Ebriu Yes, ube me Afro Perifo I was 0241 66 72 85 0241 66 72 85 ES Link Security Service Kona Kwaju Dakota Half Korea Shimbom na bia so etumi akonkan Yaga yo yeti African sunshine kudega gidinga na the east and west city banana what Aranya Fetia Crop enter second department of the game never shows here Definitely seems like Jeff no never call ye yaza Sada pano diwe you we mad economy di pie we like pie pie no dey be in this one my come from farmer what you say I no say after and dry o sound yenka and I be do feel busy chale okuma my you know be dabi so your pub in restaurant and break copy mo home base pub and run the Ghana ni Morocco game they buy on crofunu gu ye ni ma se no but NCBO never again in our life you too much is be hwini mon san pompo be hwini too much snack at yourself queen go back say oni ahwibo pa odon to ba boy dia no ye ntuma ne page out for dada nti odi ne be bo anu a ne abo ne po kama pa enti si abo ne kama pa de mawa na queen ye tebri studio na ba be pie mo waso ye ye tebri work a created commentary ya so ba be hu aya papa fresh ube weke ube chef Kufu Probia Sante all the team ni ube hu obia That's it from 34 0246 4355 655. Now be Pia Sweet to be a cocaine and farmer. Do you have a crossover? Papa, second half, your predictions now, young crossover.
Right, I think the second half, Egypt ebe throw more men.
Okay.
Because oko bench of Egypt more Ramadan so be never and I think say obenya kwanya besia kan because talking about fat in nine in more. I think say Osha performance in the first department of the game na fem kakra and as experience as player and the Ramadan so be I think say Obama second half or wait me abwa Egypt kakra and Nigeria so now the Nigeria attack and me say by if they need changes I think say Henry Onyeneku ono so ho Olympiacos ono so born 90 minutes football or Greece and so I think say game Nigeria now what they have to do is betimi manage it say na first half no almost share say players no and I say Salah and go back in the first half, and I think the same thing. I was now I'm introduce Ashraf Mo Eddie Abam, and I think Ramadan so be na chi or no so be journey team no.
All right, Jeff, your prediction second half.
Another goal from Kelechi Iheanacho.
All right, so Jeff Ekufono no, ya crossover second department no. AK at the walk. I could tell command free idea about first half. Nigeria, Eshe, Egypt, the Karmakwa went to me in Simu Adabraka. Okay, it'll take over.
Alright, yeah, Mabija phone na kwa babiem. Mfambro Kuma 97.1. AFCON 2021 live for Cameroon. And then you made a commentary about Nigeria 1, Egypt 0. Offertos me no here. Nigeria HSN no the second goal. Egypt HSN menya equalizer. Bonabedi, Abranton in Aribo, where Pierre Masako, Samo Chukweze Chubako, Akani Agazi, Yabobo, Nasser Bonnie corner. Bonnie corner. Nigeria starting from where they left off. After the pressure, ADC, Egypt so. Pressure upon pressure. Nigeria, Amasha say ye, Mr. Jeff.
Mikaisi, senior on duty through say Papa Fresh through say maybe our second half and that game Nasisana Egypt. But Mikaisi, she and Sisa, they will still dominate in the second half. In January,
Nigeria starting from where they left off in the first half. After the pressure, as Egypt so. Kona na mo boy na fa. Abranton ni Eddie Omeru no shana boa sorry atano. The boat pa. Omeru Sinaka Maliganes. Our the Spanish secundenim. Yantua game so Abranton Zaidu wa bob pass Aribo Rastamine or the Ama Simon, Moses Simon, and now dear group papa. Zebu was surging forward, was passing through. Zebu for Nigeria. Over to Crosser, Wakra Radin Yakopo. Zebu cross the boy Boko and I want to answer your question. Bonnie say, someone took Nigeria, Ego, Nasrabi, Bonatrasia, Bonapim Crossbano, Nigeria. I want it. It was a clear opportunity club here.
Yeah. I think this second half when Nigerians I started Papa when two clear chances and at least one bet me a go out of these two. But still now one more dominating. A brand friend Zebu any Moses Simon wɔn ɛyɛ adwuma yie papa and this early stages no so no wɔn asa start wɔn nneɛma ni bio and ɛnɛ coach a yɛfrɛ no Carlos Queiroz no wetumi ehu sɛ ne backline no enye and wohwɛ ne two laterals ni nyinaa this time no wasesa ne two laterals ni nyinaa aberante yɛfrɛ no El Fatu wetumi eyi ne film Tofik nso epra in the first minute no so ne two laterals no this time no abɛyɛ new a wasesa wɔn de Ashraf nso etumi aba abɛka wɔn a eke I think say enumu bad because we share bench or no cry and impressive. The likes of any Ramadan Subi no more any other than bench. Me who the midfield of any Fati any Mohamed Elneny. I think say Elneny and to me Juma Yenim say Elneny. We share the likes of players on the mobile any EP or Obo Edema Asnana and any or my who no ever give no. That's we share the front three no so I won't share down Juma cry. Okay.
Nigeria still pressure Chukwueze watching Wapiedema Aribo Lepers Edema Simon Moses Simon Onefoso Simon Nigeria Nasurabi still pressure Atiafoso Mohamed Trezeguet Obeto Chena watching Yekure ni Musa Yekure Mukwa Egypt Nasanfa Salah Wasabeji Bono yakana semaji Bono Frinizem Mohamed Salah who game no so Nigeria amfo abrante ni Trezeguet obetuma bo shot na ndidi jira nanim ma okwa ma mo bo shot hunu bia o ma okwa ma mo bo shot bia ndidi Egypt na so goalkeeper Okoye chebo na da ofefefe azanka ni Jojo chebo na ye bo bi kro da fo no 1-9 za so 1-9 na Okoye ne won fe bruta ne won fe se ayino sura bofo no ne won fe pa laita mami chiao o ya vi wa monokrom o kire mo ma bie so nim amonokrom fo nyina mo ya vi o ma bie mo tie so no abna loti o ya vi o ya heavy pa loti Yantua game no so Nigeria Abrante Simon as support na nko Atresia mani ye throw in Ayantua Rietia Forest of Egypt Yellow pass no Aboyini we right here box no Nigeria yellow pass no na so bia ni wo Nigeria wasting opportunities Ansheni yena kotifa so aso Papa Fresh Nigeria wasting opportunities
I think say Nigeria I was so munya go ne back can because chances in back clear car chances and a APA game. So I think say I will say Nigeria to me at 2 near my no munya go ne back be count because my can North African see go no one shall be shebi and it's obey winning at least the chances no take here obey to me adding kwenu so and I think say guys still now no we share game no mo ya na say still now no as more 45 minutes dada. Because Oshan was so still talking about Ndidi how Abrante now control the midfield that man Nigeria now. I think the game we Eke. Say Nigeria we need game where be mo apa Eke.
Super Eagles of Nigeria. Abrante ni Yanacho on the ball ba. We Piandiama Simon Moses Simon Chiwuram inside out. Lepas Diama Yanacho. Na so and then America Amana kasa bim ya yi de fe kire na so bon nko Wilfred Ndidi nimpo over Trimodaya 13 Moses Simon Jafu player no
Moses Simon se ma tuni di kokoti hene cause onphobia nya she
Moses Simon akora ni nimpo Abna loti o amono kro wa michi abna loti o heavy tie commentary ni sa abna loti chiano Egypt o se faro tumi ya biribi anya biribi a Israel fo be fo mutie didim yanto game no so Abrante 40 we Pierre Gazi the big man in the first for Egypt. Also Pierre Hamdi na de Bonepa. We Pierre coach de koma Abrante ni and Alpha 2 that be Egypt Alpha 2 film. Alpha to a few mama. Abrante ni dini. A man Achraf anusabem. Abrante ni dini Achraf abem. Agazi wale through pass Elche Mohamed Salah. Efede Salah bedun finfio. Na so atefa so na so the Egypt. Agazi asanu cover Jibono. Mohamed Salah ngusu nti wabedun finfi. Azi Enkrodo so nti entra fa ku nyen mguase ani mu anfa obeba finfi. Abrante ni din ade Achraf wa pia de ma Mamouche na de bonepa. Mamouche Abosulia wasa pia de ma Achraf for the bonepa. Bonabedi Abrante ni din Abdul pia de kwachere de ma Agazi low pass on shot Trezeguet. Now so the center can Trezeguet wo fedi didi ni bonepa wo fedi didi Iheanacho na kwa put to such as Sebona Sofa Abrante ni din ade Mamouche ya jiboni de film Mamouche isem. It's about time Egypt be Mamouche from na Ramadan Sobiaba. Bonabedi Egypt achirewo 40 Abrante 40 Pepe bona so de bonenim ya lelo pass ya chishawaya Abrante ni Mustafa na so Mustafa bona timan kanisa ya pim de frechiro Bonabedi awoni na sofa referee say foul. A foul here the Pharaohs of Egypt. 55 minutes. Nigeria 1. The Pharaohs of Egypt 0. Nigeria 1. Egypt 0. Kelechi Iheanacho. First half gone outside na ye kurekurem. Nya kwa bwa ye kurekurem ko. Ye kurekurem ko. Go on the NFL. Abrante Ngong, Bobo na simutete. Ejo Iheanacho, na subona fa Egypt Agazi akwanuwa. The ball ko fa soro dia ona pa wasem. Aribo, wa pia de man didi back to Aribo. Ngong ye. Di pattern wa so mpe onka ya ta fa so. Na so Nigeria, Omeru, wa pia de man didi. Ndi de le pass no, Moses Simon, wa Bosulia, wa pia de man Iheanacho, Nigeria, Iheanacho, Nasurabi, Boriseye, Nigeria. Me say pressure mo mai. Anfasa kamo na mana tefaso asubeshi krobia.
Yeah, and on America say this time round is about time when Nigeria able to me convert or more chances are more creating into a goal because one chance I go no this time now. I can't send definitely the TBA a second crown. Egypt are going to score. Egypt, I know, are going to score. The likes of Mohamed Achraf Ebebim now Abrante friend Ramadan Sobi, and I think they are going to get a goal. So it's either Nigeria won't be to me account, and I say one so better until one mobile to pass or my one in the equalizer.
Nigeria! Nasurabi! Iheanacho, that was a clear opportunity, Jeff.
That was a touch too heavy from Iheanacho for a player of his caliber and his experience. I didn't expect that from him. I expected him to say "Uncle, obe controlling ball, no." Not just a one man so ka and make profit in a bedroom.
Yeah, Egyptian so share. Amfa. Egyptian share amfa. Live commentary on Akuma 97.1. Cup of Nations Cameroon 2021. Near the live commentary bar, me say ESLink Security Services. Ekremu. Oi. Me won say Ramadan Sobi. Obem Mohamed Trezeguet afrim. Mohamed Trezeguet anamfa wa frimu. Mohamed Trezeguet afrim amaneno. Abrante ni Abdul Mustafa Mohamed Said Anusabem Sansuna Ramadan Sobi Anusabem Ramadan Sobi onimbo Ramadan Sobi onimbo Anusabem Mustafa Adina Frimu Atia Faso Egypt na se twane na hyewo Rafi Papa Gassama ɔsɛ free kick Yammantia Nigeria Lariton yina uku happy birthday in advance and confirm out and also supporting Nigeria yina uku Larita Naloti happy birthday in advance and confirm out ɔsɛ tie show no tie live commentary do better than can ensuro Jeff so better than can Born and Tefaso, na Egypt, na Srepi, indeed, what you born appear them a Aribo, Aquay, and said any born was answer as a Nigeria team nana here. Yajiborn in the fair ribbon, Sam. Referee foul. Yammonte Nigeria, Samo Chukwueze. But me, Mark, I'm a ball quick pass to Bianco Fasemba. Mustafa Muhammad, wa free Mama Ramadan Sobiabem. Why the Crabono? Ramadan Sobi, appear the question, Muhammad Anani, appear the ma, Branton in Ramadan Sobi, Sapia the call, Edakoma, Abdul Mohammed, Ochama, Yamato cross Nana, Yaya cross to Nasulabi, Engong, appear the few, Boris Sayer, Egypt, Mohamed Salah, Pass Rafa, Anani, Egypt, Nasulabi goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Koye. The back of court and where from Sam said I will be that. Thank I am saying now. Sabra Boninti. Mufisa. Goalkeeper Koye. Nibibi Nabone. When we say Egypt to form man pressure to a slow game on the down. Apollo pass a triple. One echo. Samo Chukwueze. National sentiment Cabon Egypt. You born in the fridge. Ponabeti, Branton in Olina, Wapiana Fred in Titi, and Nidi Sandia Quachre, Eliakoma, Engong Pass Abedi, Aribo, Miss Aribo on Saturday Nimbona, Nigeria team. Indeed, he was swinging past Simon, National sentiment Casimon, Bonabedi, Achraf, Piana Masala, and Sala Fedio, Mefodau, and Nimon Saramfa. Achraf, you're training the natural channel. I don't know sure. I said that channel. I don't know sure. Zaidu. Abrante Zaidu. Osina Karma FC Porto. El Portugal. And then what dear Groye Papa. I am Nigeria. Diman Baba Ona. Or the Adam Council. And now I'm born Westy. I'm going to write on you anymore. I had a bonko. I know about Nigeria, Samo Chukwueze, Wapiana Ma, Yanacho, Wabosho Nasubonapim, goalkeeper Al-Sanawi. I think that Samo Yanacho lay pass and Kebabwa. Jeff.
Yeah, only pass and Kebabwa. But Ankasa shot no one blocking so Anka. It would have been a very dangerous shot. So Yanacho they be believing me. I've been watching him since his days at Manchester City, even before he left and then we settled at Leicester. And to me, he's one of my favorite players.
Nigeria Moses Simon Obetwachana Wale pass Wapiana Marufedi Didi through ball Nigeria Abrante Nidim Adiawoni Wapiana Simon Moses Simon on fire to find Yache. What a beautiful time ya cross the ball no so be anywhere Anfa Olaina Wabos shot not to be over the bad ball goes Nigeria Papa Fresh Omo Naija.
I think say Egypt now or more problem kakra because players are ka bench ni nyina omu ni attacker omu midfielders and defenders and goalkeepers and aka bench. So I think say now Egypt the only thing they can do now is say more men on be put on for ni nyina midfielders. They don't have any attacker at the bench now because Oyusu omu nyina three ni nyina and Ankaifo ni nyina aka na midfielders and now enti wo show changes na ba na a other defender and a midfielder na eba mu because omuni attacker bia mu bench or exhaust to strikers ni nyina. Now I think say Nigeria still no they are control game no, and I think say was say chances na ba no nka ba na de na nka di bia kan na nka ba bia that team by still na nye late. I think say omugu so to niam aye so metimi anya go back on account okay
and ya papa the fresh Skache. Ono se Bruno. Bonabedi. Abrantani. Adeatraf. Ole Pasano. Waneba. Egypt. What a beautiful play. Egypt. This could be the equalizer. Egypt. Nansulabi. Jiboni the French. Boni say Egypt. Bobo na to baby kura. Ze Pharaoh ama krofo ankwa say ya na nyame ye o. Abranto be mu che Zizo. Ne bodi mboro osoro. Ye. Ena adi ati wo su krom sa na ati wo wia krom. Wo ya wa no bi so ya wa. Bona ife. 64 minutes. Nigeria 1. Egypt 0. Total African Cup of Nations. Akoma 97.1. Mese ne du krom for mo ya krado. Yaba. Apredi mo ya krado. Yaba. Sala na baby born na baby. Dawo kugwa bru. Somenya. Mese yaba o yaba. Mo jetim na nim yaba. Live commentary. Mamfia mo krom abri tutu. Mampon. Ashira se abri. Ensawa madoso. Adenta Madina. Bema kam for mo ya krado yaba. Kaswa for me am krofo mo ya krado. What do you mean na motima ye? The per crime for giant screen ba motima yi bi. Kaswa. Muhammad Ahmed Agazi Akwano Sowa. Oy Bema. Hey, you do there na no nyi there as e woro sapo. Na onya yutum. Zaidu no bon po. Indidi wale pass Iheanacho. Ma pass Krobia.
I think there was a nice indication from Abranti or the only she and the Abranti friend Iheanacho, but that left footed shot to no echo wayward into me and got to Atina, but it was a nice try from the Nigerian side.
Anga kwele pass anka asem to Egypt. Na is anka US here. Yewura azagbe na nkesi. Yawie. Egypt. Mesi Nigeria function ya there for Belmotai. Egypt. Abrante Zizo. Egypt. Mohamed Salah na subona pem. What a shot. Papa Gasama mejumani edi mayo. Jeff,
I don't know say whether Zaibu or Brea now because it looks like Mohamed Salah going to flank and it looks like new player now putting out say he's getting the better of him Kaka. And say Zaibu should lay back on going forward now, making sure you keep that player in check. And yes, he or no can link up with Mohamed Salah and go be beat me up.
Me say Nigeria. Ometuma Sanchrae. Ama for your warm up. Aribo ni dem se bona no ni bona Nigeria team ni na he. Na sama throw one stone. Ya pin obi atikọ referee say foul. Wilfred Didi ne won den sabi oba boni ata so no. Ne won den. Wilfred Didi. Zoshana Mikel Obi pepepe. Ya mo no ni moti anya adwuma da nti o mo nko na ji. Egypt searching for the equalizer. Atefo so Egypt Mohamed Salah Nasrebi yiboni the French no Poni say Bonabedu Nigeria Abrat Iheanacho and never dia group papa Bonabedi Simon one long pass Eshe Sabo Chukwueze ba now your war MC Chukwueze abre Ahmed Musa wo ayi wo bi so wo Chukwueze abre sene ayi de anye yina o ba ne bocha Tefa so so dia so ahebeba 67 minutes Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 Boni Maise Emaje Nigeria Wilfred Didi akwa ni bopo Wilfred Didi wa control fifiri wa papa hey Sulia na mo bisa no Simon Moses Fani panya hwi wo wiasim me say Aribo ne de abeto no no obobi Nigeria wa Olaina wa pia na Samuel Chukwueze Nigeria still wasting opportunities. Nigeria, Jeff.
Simon Moses de Kukuti Hine. On fan number 2 Ninyashi, Abdul Mumin, on fan Ninyashi. Suliani idea with the match we play and me sure said in order corona. In order, but on a more serious note, Nigeria will see chances. I hope that they can convert a second one now to take the pressure off themselves. And just Egypt, the ball we are way one and Egypt for no. If you know the North African teams winning North African teams now, winning say last 10 minutes of every game they will boss on patapa football, hoping say they will employ all the tactics they have. So what the better work. So Nigeria better score a second goal.
Nigeria Manchester second goal so Ashebeba. Yento game so 69 minutes, equal 70 minutes. Nigeria 1 Egypt 0. Mohamed Anani when Pierre Koma Abrantani and so Atrap Atiafa so Nigeria troopers still Samo Chukwueze for Nigeria. Obetua China, whatever Obetua cross the ball. Nigeria na so be Gazi. Wapimbo ni the French rewo. El Gazi, Mr. Ribo ni die. Tuana abeto no jala mo na musa. I said Jordan are you. Na musa. Egypt, Bonabedi, Zizo, beautiful control from Zizo. Obetua China, Zizo. Dane no sa asateno twano wo sa Zizo wa piere ma akoi wow Zizo through pass to Salah na should be yeyiboni the free chire. It was a clear opportunity for Mohamed Salah. Kropia, what opportunity?
Yeah, I think he find himself in the midst of the partnership between Omerio and Ekonken and I am born on my way to Mampa Bono and to a trim. Bono, so once again, there's some for Frono, but I think the Egyptians that I know, they are going to score. They will score at the end of the 90 minutes.
Egypt, I'm going to go to Atiomoka. As I branches Zizo by again, Master.
It looks like fatigue is setting in for the Nigerians and so, and the North Africans are capitalizing on that. And I think said Nigeria, if they think they are not going to score again, they should compact and wear the match out.
It was a big opportunity for Mohamed Salah. Nigeria still defense league now. Mamu Sasa outside. The FA be all time. We bounce on board that them. Nigeria yes actually. Abrante Sadiq, Abem Umar Sadiq, Wabei Taiwo. Awoni ye frimu strike tintin wa frimu Samo Chukwueze onuso frimu ama Chidara Ijuke onuso bem o de yasem eya baninti mudina no Abrante Ijuke wabem Senekanima CSK Moscow Russia 24 years na Abrante Nadi Abrante Zizo for Egypt to be man referees are you so me wani ana Mohamed Salah why you frustrated kasa na no sa na so papa gasama ozimi mfi kura emema na bobo no mo hwe so na mo Nigeria so is actually two substitution and amaye yanto game no so 72 minutes Nigeria 1 Egypt 0. Indeed, we Pierre Mazebu, Zedu Diakoma, Akoyo Bemunchaye, Akoy Suma, no train. Obayan to Sadiq. Yeah. Jose Moreno, I'm found Sisiana Abem, send me you a free. Amera Gazi, or Tiani different lesson, or two Jana, Wejana, about Pem, about Chafawa, Aribo, Aribo no dia am say ono no minim dia tell us wom na wo fa na Aribo champion of Matai Aribo mine Oyibo Aribo mine what's your more you know never the show Nigeria searching for the second goal throwing Atodiama Yanacho and what then there as a Gideon friend is Bonabedi Abrante ni Zaidu wabobo ni tintiti de free wo Iheanacho no sleepy Hegazi abre ye Amere Gazi wabre waye juma pa Nasi Iheanacho Azianza na 90 minutes nimekuwa nao mama ate so eye corner kick Jabode to Egypt Abrante Simon Nejira Bonachi waye de sim Nigeria Bonisaya Nigeria Dosudabi Yayiboni ya frechero Bonabedi Abrante Zebu Wapiarema Simon Nansu Nigeria ni bida form yeah Nigeria ni da form Ane ya wine Abaye Omeru Obida form Nigeria ni Abrante da form Anze you know Abaye grind yeah Abrante na kosoro dodo Into a temporary hold up Me can for the code at the amount me say no open TV will be them Akofa Asamaba Ba you be crochet TV or be madam Akofa Asamaba that's what court Intene Anya fe na crochet TV will be there na say sorry ko dare Ye yankwala no enware am TV to be there na akwa crochet Ano so na kanche ma ba hoto say shada ko sorry ko dare bua Ye pamo ye nyakwa ye nyama O go show be there go be yumpa bo egu da no baba na ni wo Intene be see the code aba ESL Security Services Amudi the code saba Intene ye nya mopo ye na ntwapa problem anya fe na sori ko chimpo no aba na azema ye chimne kakra uko benkum o se bra nifa kakra oba nifa o se twan chimko benkum eye gina ho oye se otu na ewura dem o se sanko chimiem na bi atwam ni nyina e decoder papa DSTV decoder Go TV decoder antennas me se ne yensi pempro inframa akobo amana akobu akoto bi danso ubesi TV po baby o se santon chesra bo bi danso ni nyina ye ESL Security Services or the decoder papa DSTV Go TV Mansankabi Owabiro kwapem Nigeria Ijeku ye nyoni pale guei ananani Papa Fresh Nigeria
Zeki Nigeria for say omo yati akuma bisa because we game na chances ne dey nyina aba dey ama Nigeria by akasa omde born beto atenam and tisania how Egypt for na nia brea ekọ to the die minute of the game and I think say I was say Nigeria now changes are Nigeria coach na two attackers and all the mobile mu Sadiq no ene Ejuke no nyina ya attackers and omo abepiem our game. So I think say the best way to defend is over attacking and we introduce more men on the field. And I think say that two changes and I will say etimi abo Nigeria no mutumi enya at least a goal or more e can go no match because chances ni nyina etimi abai the Nigeria. And now Egypt are pushing forward for the equalizer. You can say be on betimi anya that goal now. But the way omo operate so omode born for Nigeria defense I think say now omo try long balls na no anyi now short ones no and also omo try by no so still 19 fa so now we more idea dey am Egypt and American can say omo ni a striker biabio now all they have they say e be attacking midfielders and nkwan at bench and defenders and e be a goalkeepers and aka because omo ball forwards ni nyina in the first department of the game, you know. And I think that now, no attackers, you know, and they be on betting by the one of the problems almost woman and say Mo Salah no entimi akwenya high creating more chances and I say entimi had the defenseman of Nigeria no and also one of the problems Egypt for no ama mo born so I din because Mo Salah second half we were bam kakra by first half ni nyina wo hwe
na Omeru ntwento
yes
of Nigeria
say player here na o kana asemi
Kenneth Omeru.
Ono
na yin nche na nza touch man kakra.
O say ne performance na of fam kakra now. Ha, ajay.
Entino Nigeria Omeru efrimu.
Yes.
Ameni Abrante ni din okay, enshene yi ana enye yi. Entino Nigeria say make another substitution. Na almost etuma hwe se niam abefa alata ya no. Nya na fosi ya nya so su agum. Pushing more men forward. Nigeria form wa akwewa. Kenneth Omeru efrim ama semi ajayi. Enso abem akwedi ndi obo nwuma nke fatan pa semi. I see naka West Brom.
Yes. Who's a premiership.
Ajayi semi.
I think say quality there eke ehuhia. Ehuhia pa because o share squad na omo motivate.
Ede asen wa ko kanu
90 minutes football.
Akoyo bay awakali asen wa ko kanu. Hwe ne Tista ine ne tenten a enti wa firimu Kelechi yana twa firimu ama Kelechi nwakali abem Kelechi for Kelechi wa ko kanu pepepe hwe ne tin style na kon ro no asoba ne tenten ni bibia asen wa ko kanu the boy o hram mo no sumpo na hram
Nigeria squad no kwenu because
Nigeria squad kwenu yes o Ahmed Musa munyina bench Alex Wobi munyina e bench more quality.
China they bad.
What's it? Yantua game so. Ya po 80 minutes. Nigeria 1. Egypt 0. AK. Yi. Vaka sa sembe tumabo. Se vaka sa so sibe tumaba. Nigeria Abrante akoso bi na box. Ya so bi na box Papa Gassama what's that Oche player no Papa Gassama o show you say are you my koiko sama ba me say va kasa so sibetuma ba Papa Gassama o si mi tienti kwachi kakra onai na Papa Gassama o say are you my koiko Abra me course na where were you Salah so children say when we were here we were where you were. Va enfi asianto aso Okoye wa bobo na simu tintintin e dey asam kra ni a. Ya sava no nsam wie na adwuma ye. Say obi nine na ya so obi nine o box mu. Ye reference sambo simu biem. Papa Gassama say va kra unti check ya date ma me ye isa. Ase krachi bosim ni enko. Papa Bakari Gassama asi masa mesi bosim enti abazim Nigeria Egypt agazi panyan ya pembo ni de frechire wo ono so ndidi wa body boom edebe Egypt afem wan ekọ eduke Nigeria this could be the second goal na srabi ye yibo che ye twam se para tutu twam Nigeria wasting all the opportunities Olaina sanka de kwa hanka be fa Krobia will play Olaina. So far 81 minutes. Do you think they go better Maba?
Oh yeah, go back there to me about from the camp of the Egyptians no. Go back me to me who pass at least at the second game we Egypt for to me nyago because about is na nipa being so bread. Nyoma say papa and a game where both team to score game pa and enemy who na before I know referee no be pon game no I think say Egypt for nyago no. Me will feel for Nigeria sanka umbo to me win a clean sheet the 3 points ni nyina but looking at said their new mark on one more buy no enche da emboa bibia agron na omodi anymore and I think say if say Egyptians in my women so kakra na umbo to me ashego me expect sanka coach ni betumi de Mohamed Sharif of Al Ahly to me abemu because no so adan hu edi abo no homodin ye pa the year under review 2021 Abrante no born no homodin ono no strike no be kaya Super Cup a omo boy true any one Champions League you know no je one top scorer for Egypt ni modern bonus so I don't know why I still now or bench
Zizo for Egypt Zizo wa Pierre ma Abrante Achraf ya cross ball no sleepy Olaina waji body the French row ya corner kick Bonadane Egypt putting pressure on Nigeria send Jeff Kaino aka 10 minutes pressure na start bona dane Zizo Nigeria bona chine corner kick ya body to Nigeria ya body the same Egypt body say Hegazi Ewurade Nyankopon Hegazi ojedi an ati na wan ni Hegazi bona dane Jeff bona dane.
Oh, sir, as I said, North Africans in the last 10 minutes, they will press you. They will really press you. Into say one shake goal, would they be comfortable? Go first goal out share party. Will wait me out and what will cancel? They will pressure you more. They might even win at the last minute.
So far, your team about 84 minutes. The pane bufa so say the pabe ko wo na wabre. Ewurade akwa we dey so nka wu Sadiq Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 go akalechi yana to say your Fedi Kaino enwa na ekura musa Elneny we piere man goalkeeper El Sanawi anu so piere ma Amara Gazi Gazi de bone pa o piere bone nim wasa piere man goalkeeper El Sanawi na de bone ba anu so pian edeba 50 edema 40 da koma Amara Gazi dama Abdul Mohamed Salah wahuri osuro ni nine Salah osuro ni nine Simon she say Sadiq atefa so na so she Amara Gazi ose she oso wa me so wa sen Amara Gazi okura experience enya ya anom ebe ka dia to ya tena mu sesi ya yentu game no so Elneny second half mi sada nwuno Egypt neba Amara Gazi ochise obi bo na ma no Gazi wa body call isabe gumso Mohamed Elneny Arsenal player obiadiba waneba Ramadan Sobi the ball akote Nigeria neba America ba chonu so ye ala ta ya edu say ya ajena anya adwuma ni pedu ya na ebre Egypt na srabi Bonafa ego kick DJ Donzi Bomechidom Kegum Donzi Sansi subiem that's right DJ Donzi no wọ́n fẹ́ sáwọn wàrí yẹ okay wọ́n wàrí yẹ wàtí abúlé tí ẹ̀yìn mi tí a o Donzi wàrí yẹ sáwọn pẹ wọ́n pẹ ẹ̀bẹ̀ ká ní àwa o yẹn tó game no so rọ́fì sísẹ́yìn ọ̀sẹ̀ fọ́ yẹn mọ̀ tí a Nigeria coach Uchechu Muhammad Numa Alex Ferguson fano Uchechu Muhammad Numa ase wele no eso ba ne wele ne adin ni wo tuna numa 90 minutes na nsan Egypt na de bo ne pa Abrante Abdo Piadema Ramadan Sobi tane no sa de bo na koche ayi ngongo mpeno wasem body ato akene no nonsense defender shey tiri mo ase kwankura no shen Egypt Mohamed Salah we no box no de putre sahaba so da for na penalty yako chiobi Ashraf wako cha Nigeria ni bi pa ara for mutwa sa wa chiobi na makon square enti Papa Gassama Osefo yemontia chiobi free kick yemontia Egypt Nigeria 4 87 minutes 88 Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 Total Africa Cup of Nations 2021 big game Okoma 97.1 Mesi Eke Emani Fili Yansu ya di be mo Papa refresh Cashman Sakura Mai Skache Owa Jeff Kufubuati Kokotiene Krobia Sante fine boy Fan Manjara Yisa the boy the controversial mind the boy the writer commentator Nana Kofi Okarajiman DJ Donzi DJ Zigibi Tony the Ajamo Kofi Kofi Ajana Breni Kofi Nana Damia Abasa Eze nsuo no de aba nsuo no de aba eze kwame uhia nsuo Egyptians achiraye yes Krobia Muhammad Sharif Ebem.
Yeah, I think say also another force up front will be to me about in the attacking force of the Egyptians, and Obano few minutes and a referee near better, so I think say will be to me something out of it, and in combination with Mohamed Salah said ya waida ogi and said I am a Muaka because we share game and Sadio Mane boy now share their Riyad Mahrez aye now you expecting nothing from Salah than they are into nothing say we mumu and share down Koyi Farmer this superstars are home to me be PMO competition.
Mohamed Sharif Abem Egypt this could be a color is announced be Abrante Zizo Abem wa Danny game na ni papa the Egypt Zizo Nigeria yan sachiraye atori heading Nigeria yan sachiraye Abrante Moses Simon Efrimu ama Alexi Wobi the Everton mine Aruzube Moses Simon wadi agro Jeff Moses Simon wadi agro.
Oh yeah, Kokotihene. One for Abdul Mumin and Yeshe the whole match. One for Yeshe. I mean, he has been very instrumental on the left flank of the Nigerian setup. Yanshania it will be Babeba or the Babe. Maybe I do need it. I'm praying say Nigeria will be holding on to the end of the match. They deserve the win.
So your coach, your free big game management. And no, other Nigeria for some year. 90 minutes in the so Rafi Papa Gassama. Or the 4 minutes Nadia Tuso. Or the 4 minutes Nadia Tuso. Nigeria still leading by a long goal against the Pharaohs of Egypt. Eji. Atifa Sanka so Shebeba. Amere Gazi. Osimunkom. Or the Ama Abdul Mohamed. Onusa Piadema. Elneni Ewan Fifia Fem. Elneni of Chichobi Diamano. One Epa. Egypt. Yabolo ball. Egypt. Salah. Obetuwa shot and Salah. Eja. Only me comment to so frère. Mohamed Salah. Egypt. Transfer the ball at the corner. Press up on presser. Press up on presser. Egypt. Press up on presser Egypt. Hey. Bonadani. Nigeria waste opportunities in your Bonadani. Japan 1 minute. Corner kick. Egypt. Bonus there. Gazi. Ajaja. Defender. Atia Faso. Nigeria. America. Ba. Whenever. Nigeria. Uradenya Gopong.
There are players in the middle. Just square the ball. There are 2 players in the box. Square the ball.
So I pause. Nigeria. It was a big opportunity. Sankoma killing game no. Brandon Ede Ejuke big opportunity that the man was about to actually. Ejuke.
I mean, what the Sankawa Obe tries to Obesha, this was a chip. We a chip. A Sanka Obe chip ball or chippy ball now, no, and that was a goal. This was very unfortunate.
A corner kick. Yabatia, the Pharaohs of Egypt. Simana ya referee de to suna bomu miansa. Akabubako. Ajaya, referee say foul. Ya chira wodin ti referee say foul. Me o say Nigeria bench no. Amu say mo mesin ko jiro na asama ama. Asimu besi kwechire Gazi pass na nko Wine apa Ulaina for Nigeria Ulaina Miuse nidi wasi kaunko wanim Ulaina Ola de bwana kwache Ura de Ulaina Duna Chelsea ton Ulaina de bwana kwache Egypt form so chana mo chire Abrante Abdul Mohamed Oshiso bi amano Nigeria coach osi kowanim Sadiq kowanim kwajibo Bonaba Iwobi wapia de mawana Abrante ni Zeju wapia pass no kwa brane je bado na akofa so referee Papa Bakari Gassama wa bora be fe African game ni nyina bana wiye me Joseph Yebo wa chire ni agisa referee bora be kense ni nyina bana wiye aribo ni de zini jira yi na musa Mohamed Salah wa chara referee osiwa di game no Nigeria ni aje Wilfred Ndidi wa controlling free Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 ya da kense ni nyina bana wi ya meribesi idi sina asore akope bibia di na ayi the boy obre na aba ya di see so at the end of the 90 minutes Nigeria 1 Egypt 0 me kwedia Eraya and your birthday Eraya birthday Eraya Osan Broom yes sister Abna Oba Eraya mama so happy birthday and Eraya ba akwara ketu akra ebo yi ni mama na me fan ya Eraya na your birthday Eraya mama we so happy birthday papa Yakubu nsha na nyi na be ye panyi pa enso ewo we fi mama wo yes mama Abna also we so happy birthday on Madam Dillian and ebusia ni nyina o sister Nanaya omu nyina so so happy birthday Teraya ya we so happy birthday and so wo internal game ni nyina ba na wiye Nigeria 1 the Pharaohs of Egypt me say Pharaoh bibia obi ama minchi a o man no ama nkwa say Nyankopon ye o oni Nyankopon nya asema hwan na be ka bia ma o enti be si Egypt for fans na dwa Nigeria for so bompaye I was say Uradi yada wase so man kuni bia ye dia enti ne besi na fe so the writer atena wa drive through be 5 minutes bi na yakoje ahome aba no si abopema eye Sudan ana fe so no Guinea Bissau Diman why crowd the boy I ready commentary no so be yinyina ginam na the boy the commentary na ba ye twaye wapa e ba writer enso betima tena so medin ene nana Kwame Ampon said you betum afrem AK fantastic commentary yenso etimi dia ba writer eto so elfia
We are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea. Africa unite. Together as one.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African kings and African queens.
Africa, born Africa, do serve. And everybody come together as one, we'll rise.
Africa tonight. Sound of the line. My people know we go conquer. We stand for Africa. If we do all together, we sing for Africa. We go conquer. We stand for Africa. If we do it together, we sing for Africa. Africa unite. Get us
Alright, so game in your panel. Yes, Group D match about Omeyefia, the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Yes, so much Egypt for the Busumia, Bro, Baba, Pio. Pio Bago Beza.
La patrie des dieux, bienvenue
The party is good, let us go.
Testament,
Ati ano no. Azo mnia ye yaza.
Trazendo esperança para a próxima geração. Doctor pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal.
Bobo Kwati yare Sultan hapa Kensa. Kiri bisara Brewing Tamso. Ya tema tula. What you can say, what a walk across that commentary hapa. The boy Babe take over. Yaseme proper chesa. 7 p.m. Sultan hapa Kensa Bobo Kwati.